This is San Martin Mulberry, and it is very productive. This is on a coppiced tree. Let me pan back here so you can see it. So this is how, we have a very short growing season. It's very cool here too. So how we prune our mulberries is we alternate. So I have San Martin here. I pruned it last winter, and it will grow in height, and then next summer each of the nodes that are developing on these branches will produce mulberries. But because I cut it back down to a point that's maybe 1.5 feet off the ground, I won't get very many mulberries this year. But if we go and look at the view we were in before, you'll see that the number of mulberries per node is very high. So I would say that San Martin has a very high degree of productivity. And you can imagine next year when the branches that are growing now are all, 7 feet tall, that each one of them is just going to be loaded down. Another thing that's very interesting here to look at is how it ripens. San Martin is known as a white mulberry, and you can pick it when it's white. Let's go pick one of these when they're still white. So there's just a little bit of sugar content. It's edible, but it's not fully ripe like these that have progressed. Like this is very, very soft. And let's take a taste. That's a good taste of mulberry. So it's very important, if you have a white colored mulberry and you want that to achieve its maximum flavor, you're going to want to let it ripen beyond white. In this case, it ripens to lavender or even a purple, similar to Easter egg or paradise. But you can also pick it when it just starts to turn lavender. So it's tough to leave them up there. You want to eat them. But once they get to this point, once they start to go beyond white, they really get flavorful. This is San Martin Mulberry. I've always considered a white mulberry, but I've learned to let the white mulberries remain on the tree as long as you can before harvesting, and then they'll turn an off-white, or they'll turn lavender or even a deeper purple, and then they've achieved their maximum level of taste.